to illustrate further on the soul of man. So this is the soul of man, as we've been talking about. We could redraw it like this. So this is like a house having several rooms. Okay, now let me just create an opening here, like a door. You understand what I'm drawing soon? Okay, so this is the main gate into the soul. This place is called the wheel. Things get into the soul from here, and things exit the soul from the wheel. So the major gates of entrance into the soul, this is in and this is out. The major way of entrance is through two main gates, the eye gate, and then we have the ear gates, and sometimes the sense of touch. Males are majorly affected by the eye gates. Females are majorly affected by the sense of hearing and the sense of touch. I'll explain further later. Then the main exit from the soul to reflect on the body or through the body is through the mouth, in terms of the tongue. And also we have the feet, hands and feet that carries out the action that I thought of. There are two entities within the soul of every human being. We have could be on either side. On this side, okay, let me put it on this side. Could be on either side. On this side is the entity we described earlier, which is like the storehouse of sinful desires in man. So I'm drawing him like this. This is called Mr. Flesh. Then on this other side, we have somebody else here. There's glory around this person. This person is called conscience. Let me write it here. The conscience. Let me change that. Okay, let me write it down here. Conscience. Alright, so these two are in constant battle for who dominates the soul. These other rooms are rooms within the soul. Let me use another color. Okay. This room here is the room of the memory. This room here is the room of the intellect. This room is the room of the imagination. And this is the room of the emotions. So as I've said in the previous video, this whole part is called the mind. From here to here is the mind. So in our subsequent videos, we would pick the memory and see how these two seek to gain control over the memory, and how they seek to gain control over the intellect, the imaginations, and the master's bedroom itself, the emotions. The wheel sort of it's just like a gateway. If the wheel is dominated by the conscience, in quotes, or for a Christian by the Holy Spirit, they will become strong. But if it's dominated by Mr. Flesh, even in some Christians, or by the sinful nature in unbelievers, it will be weak-willed, and we will have some expressions from the will that are so permissive and so porous and sinful. So take a look at all this in subsequent videos. Thank you very much.